Trisha. I hope everyone is doing great. So today I'm back again with another new video, but before starting off with the video, first I would like to request one thing to all of you, that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so. Take a moment and hit on the red subscribe button on the right side of your screen. And also it's an earnest request to all of you, so please watch the video till the end. And also if you like it, then please give it a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to share it with your friends and family. So by the title of the video, I hope everyone got to know exactly what is going to happen today in this video. Yes, today I am going to talk about some beginner makeup products. Like it's going to be a beginner makeup kit that I have prepared. So trust me, if you take my suggestion, then as a beginner you do not need to spend too much on your makeup, because it's the foundation stage after all. Like you'll use product, you will make mistake, so it's better to use cheaper product than like using expensive product and get those product wasted. So there are so many affordable products in the market as well. So in this video I will be sharing with all of you all the products that I use, and also I share the alternative products as well, so that it will be more easier for you to understand like what all product you want to use. It will be completely of your own choice, and I'll also mention the prices, so it will be convenient for you. So yes, without wasting any more time, quickly let's get into the video. So this is the makeup pouch that I carry, and it's such a cute bag. I just love this bag. So I have kept all the products which I felt are essential for a beginner. So yes, I'll show that to you one by one. And also another thing I would like to mention, so there are few products here which will be little more expensive in terms of a beginner makeup kit. So for that I'll give an alternate option as well. So if you don't want to invest too much at the beginning, you can just go for the other option as well. And trust me, that other option will be more or less the same only. So there won't be too much of difference. So yes, let's just see what is in my makeup pouch. So keep watching. So before starting off with the makeup, the most important thing for not only a beginner but for everyone is moisturizing your skin. So moisturizing is really important, because you don't want your foundation or your BB cream to become cakey. So it's really important to moisturize your skin first. So here for the moisturizer, I have this Biotique Morning Nectar moisturizer. It's 120 ml packaging and it costs rupees 199, which is I think great. And not only before makeup, if you apply it in general also, it will make your skin much more healthier. So it's a great option for moisturizing. So the next thing that comes in terms of makeup is the concealer. So if you don't have any problematic skin and your face is really, your skin is really nice, so you just don't need any concealer or corrector. So you can just go for any BB cream or foundation. But if you have a problematic skin just like me, then I think you should apply a concealer, or if you have more pigmented areas in your skin, then at that time corrector will be a great option. So in my case, I have too much of pigmentation in my face. There are too much problematic area in my face which concealer couldn't conceal. So I just don't use any concealer, I use corrector. So this is the corrector that I use. So this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Definition Concealer in the shade orange. So this is mainly an orange corrector, because I have too many dark spots here on my face. So I just apply them, and after that I apply the foundation. So I don't use any concealer, I use this. So this is around 690, it costed me around 695 or 700 rupees. So if you don't want to use this, you can just go for any concealer. So I would one concealer that I heard of, like, it's the Fit Me concealer by Maybelline. So I heard too many good stuff about that product, and it's quite affordable also. I think it costs somewhere around 500 rupees, so you can just go for the same. So it's really a nice concealer in terms of budget. So next up is the foundation. So for the foundation, you'll find lots and lots of options in the market for maybe full coverage, medium coverage, light coverage, anything. So I use this foundation, and it is from Maybelline Superstay range. It's the Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation, and I'm in the shade 310, which is sun beige. And as I have a problematic skin, so I need a full coverage foundation for my work every day. So, and I really love this product. This is such an amazing foundation. It just feels like your second skin. But as a beginner, I think you don't need any full coverage foundation. You can either go for BB creams or for normal medium coverage foundation. So I have two options. So one is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is of medium coverage, and it costs somewhere around 500 rupees. And the second one is BB cream, and I heard really good reviews of this BB cream. It also has an SPF 30 in it, and it's the Nykaa Skin Genius BB cream. So you can either go for any of these two if you don't want to use this full coverage foundation. So after applying foundation or the BB cream, you need to set your makeup with a powder, so be it a translucent powder or a compact powder. So as a beginner, I would suggest that you can use a compact, which is Maybelline Super Fresh Compact, which costs somewhere around 150 to 160 rupees, and it's a really amazing product. You can just check out the reviews. So I personally do not apply any powder because it doesn't suit me, but for you guys, you can go for this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact powder. So coming to the eyes, I think at the beginning, if you want to use any eyeshadow, you should always go for a nude palette, because I don't think there is any necessity of experimenting at the beginning only with bold colors. So nude palettes are much more preferable, and here I use this LA Color Block nude palette, and you should always go for product like this, which has highlighter, eyeshadow, and also few colors which you can use as your blush as well. So you just don't need to buy 3 different products. It will be a compact one, and it's an all-in-one product. So its MRP is 700 rupees, but it costed me somewhere around I think 400 something. So there was a discount going on, so I bought it on discount, and it costed me somewhere around 400. So other than that, if you want to buy any other nude palette, then I can suggest you the palette of Nykaa. So Nykaa has I think it's the 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette, and it's in the shade nude, and I think it's around somewhere 599 rupees. So that is also a very nice nude palette, and it has 10 colors in it as well, so you can just try for that as well. So coming to the kajal and the eyeliner. So for the eyeliner, I love to use this. So this is the Lakme Insta Liner. It says it's water resistant, but it's not completely water resistant, but still it stays for a longer period of time. So I have these 2 colors, one is black, another is blue. So black is for everyday purpose, but blue is for if you are going for some event or something and you need that pop of color on your eyes, then you can go for that. So it's very affordable. It costs somewhere around 100 or 120 rupees, and it's such an amazing product, and you can just, the applicator also is so precise. It's such an amazing product for the eyeliner, and it's also not only for the beginner, but it's good for everyone. So next up is the kajal. So I don't really apply kajal, but there are some days where you need to apply a kajal to complete your look. So it's for that I have this kajal with me. It's the Rimmel London kajal. It's, I think, what is it? It's the Scandalize waterproof eyeliner. Kajal. Scandalize waterproof kohl. So it was somewhere around 345 rupees because it has that glitter in it. So it's a glittery glittery kajal. So it's mainly for those event days. But if you want to try for kajal, like budget kajal, then I would suggest you either go for Lakme Iconic or for Maybelline Colossal Kajal. So both of them claims that they are smudge proof and waterproof, but I don't really think they are completely smudge proof. But still, according to the price, it costs somewhere around 180 rupees. According to the price, they are better product. And also, no eye look is complete without a mascara, because if you don't want to apply kajal or liner, you can just apply a good stroke of mascara and you will be good to go. So for the mascara, I have two options here. So one is the Lakme Iconic mascara, and it's I think 345 rupees, and it also comes with a curvy wand, so it's much more easier to apply it on your eyes, especially on your lower lash line. So this is really an amazing product. It's not waterproof, but it stays for good it stays for a longer period of time. And another one that I have is more of a budget friendly product, and it's from Blue Heaven. And just look at the packaging. I just bought this product for this packaging. It completely looks like a fountain pen that we used to use. So it's such an amazing packaging it has, and it costs somewhere around 150 rupees. It says it's waterproof, smudge proof, but it's not at all waterproof. But still, it is a nice mascara. The wand is also nice. It has that curvy wand which makes it easier to apply. It's all together, it's a justified product. So with that, we come to the end part of this video, and the end part is the lips. So for the lips, before applying lipstick, you need to apply lip balm to protect your lips from any harsh chemical of the lipstick. So you need to prep up your lips first. So for that, I have two options here available. So one is this Maybelline Baby Lips Candy Wow in the variant Blackberry. So it's a tinted lip balm. So all of you know baby lips very well, I think. So it comes at, I think, 180 rupees. And it's really a nice product, and if it works both as a lipstick as well as a lip balm, because someday if you don't want to apply dark lipstick, you can just apply this and you're good to go. And the next one is this. It's the Himalaya Strawberry Lip Balm, and it's such an amazing product. I use this every night before going to bed, and trust me, when I woke up in the morning, it stays there in place till the time I don't wash my face. So it's such an amazing product, and it comes only for rupees 45. So yes, I have two options here for the lip balm, and then come the lipstick. So in my previous video, I have mentioned about my top 10 favorite affordable lipstick. So these are the lipstick from these are those lipsticks only. So if you didn't watch my previous video, then please do so, go to my channel and watch that. And so here I have 4 lipsticks. So basically, as a beginner, you don't need to do so much experiments. So it's either you can just go for 2 color, either a nude shade or a red shade. So I have 2 options for both the shade. So for the first, I'll show you the red one. So these are the Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipsticks, and it comes at the price of $2.99, which is really affordable. So I have two shades. One is the Cosmopolitan Red, another one is the Siren in Scarlet. So I am not going to do any swatches because I have already done that in my previous video. So if you want to watch it, then please go and watch it. And then comes the nude shade. So for the nude shade, I have two options. So one is the Color Sensational Maybelline Creamy Matte, and it's in the shade Nude Nuance. And the second one is this one. So this is the Nykaa Matte Mini, and it's in the shade Naughty Nude. So this is the color, and it comes at the price of $1.99, which makes it more affordable. So I have covered pretty much everything, and with that it comes to an end. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you do so, then please share it with your friends as well as your family. And also follow me on Instagram. I will link my Instagram ID on the description box below, and I'll be back again with another new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.